Alright, Gus with his 270 is gonna blow up Mr. What's his name?
Raggedy Andy.
Yeah, Raggedy Andy doll.
I showed them earlier.
There's a picture.
No, there's a video.
Or a video. Oh!
This earplug's not in all the way. Dang it. She is alive.
What?
Good boy.
Boy.
Are you serious?
Quit missing!
Boom. I need more ammo. Hold this.
You only had 2?
Yeah, I only had 2.
Alright, here's Gus with his 270. Gonna shoot the Raggedy Andy doll.
Let's hope so.
Right there.
Right in the face.
Gus!
I think it's the wind. One shot left! I'm not doing this on purpose. Oh my heck! No!
Gus with his 270. Right there, shooting the Raggedy Andy doll.
This is my 6th shot.
6th shot and he's still missed.
Cameraman is next. Just kidding.
Gus!
That went through his head. Look, there's a hole. There is a hole. Blow up this piece of crap. What the heck? Alright.
Hey, at least you hit it.
I hit it the first time too.
Alright, let's go check it out. Right in the forehead.
Right through his freaking head and his nose.
You hit it.
I hit it 5 times. No.
Right in his nose, like perfectly square.
And between his eyes. I was wondering why it wouldn't blow up. Gave him a belly button and his arm. Wow. Alright.
Gus got really upset that it didn't blow up the Raggedy Andy doll, so he's gonna shoot it with his shotgun.
22s. Just kidding.
That worked.
I'm not doing it again. Alright, Raggedy Andy's still dead. After 9 shots with a 270 and 2 with a shotgun. Jared's turn to kill him.
End his killing.
Shoot him again.
Alright.
We don't like him. He's only mostly dead. Now we're taking the 22s and finishing him off by firing squad. Just unload on that son of a... Aim! Fire!
Andy's gone.
I think he's dead now. Turns out Andy was paper mache and not ceramic. There's his mangled body.